Road accidents occur due to a combination of various factors, ranging from human errors to environmental conditions and vehicle related issues. One major cause is human error, which includes reckless or aggressive driving behaviors such as speeding, tailgating, distracted driving, and impaired driving. These actions compromise the driver's ability to respond appropriately to changing road conditions, increasing the risk of crashes and collisions. Another significant factor is inadequate road infrastructure and design. Poorly maintained roads, lack of proper signage, absence of traffic calming measures, and insufficient lighting contribute to accidents. Environmental factors like adverse weather conditions such as heavy rain, fog, or ice also play a role in reducing visibility and creating slippery road surfaces, making driving more challenging and increasing the likelihood of accidents and incidents. Vehicle related issues can also lead to accidents. Mechanical failures, faulty brakes, worn out tires, and defective parts can result in loss of control over the vehicle and contribute to accidents. Additionally, inadequate driver training and lack of awareness about road safety principles and regulations can lead to poor decision making and improper handling of various driving situations. It is essential to address these causes comprehensively by promoting responsible driving behaviors, investing in better road infrastructure, and ensuring proper vehicle maintenance and safety standards. By addressing these factors, we can work towards reducing the occurrence of road accidents and creating safer roadways for everyone. Let us understand now the most important safety tips that how we can prevent or minimize the chances of road accidents, crashes, or collisions. So, let's dive. Dear friends and fellows, there are 10 safety tips. If you will apply, if you will memorize, if you will follow, you can avoid road accident, crashes or collisions. Point number 1. Maintain your vehicle. Regularly check your vehicle's brakes, tires, lights, and other essential components to ensure they are in proper working condition. Faulty equipment can lead to accidents. For example, maintaining good tire tread depth can prevent skidding on wet roads. Number 2, buckle up. Always wear your seatbelt and ensure that all passengers are properly restrained. Seatbelts significantly reduce the risk of injury or fatality in the event of a collision. Number 3, observe speed limits. Adhere to posted speed limits and adjust your speed according to the road conditions. Excessive speed reduces your ability to react to unexpected situations and increases the severity of accidents. Number 4, avoid distractions. Keep your focus on the road and avoid distractions such as using your phone, eating, or engaging in other activities that take your attention away from driving. Distracted driving is a major cause of road accidents. Point number 5, use turn signals. Always signal your intentions when changing lanes or making turns to alert other drivers about your actions. This promotes predictability and helps prevent collisions. Point number 6, Maintain a safe following distance. Keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you to allow for proper reaction time. This helps avoid rear end collisions. If the vehicle ahead suddenly stops or slow down, you are on the platform of safety first life. And today we are discussing about road safety, how we can prevent road collisions and crashes, how we can avoid catastrophic road incidents and accidents. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment and share it with your friends and fellows. Point number 7, check blind spots. Before changing lanes, use your mirrors and perform a quick shoulder check to ensure there are no vehicles in your blind spots. Failure to check blind spots can result in side swipe or merging accidents. Point number 8, observe traffic rules. Adhere to traffic signs, signals, and right-of-way rules. This ensures a smooth flow of traffic and reduces the risk of collisions caused by disregarding traffic regulations. Point number 9, be alert and defensive. Stay vigilant and be prepared for unexpected actions from other drivers. Anticipate potential hazards such as pedestrians or cyclists and adjust your driving accordingly. The last point, point number 10, avoid impaired driving. Never drive under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or any substances that impair your judgment and reaction time. Impaired driving is a leading cause of fatal road accidents. In conclusion, I would like to say that road accidents can be significantly reduced by implementing these 10 mandatory safety tips. By obeying traffic laws, maintaining a safe distance, and avoiding distractions, we can enhance our focus and responsiveness while driving. Wearing seatbelts and using turn signals are simple yet effective ways to protect ourselves and communicate our intentions to other drivers. Furthermore, checking blind spots, adapting to weather conditions, and performing regular vehicle maintenance and inspection are the crucial steps in preventing accidents. It is essential to prioritize sober driving, as driving under the influence poses a severe risk to ourselves and others on the road. Lastly, practicing good road etiquette and being courteous to fellow drivers foster a positive and safer driving environment. By incorporating, by obeying, by following, and by implementing these 10 safety tips in your daily driving habits, you can contribute to a significant reduction in road accidents. Remember, road safety is a shared responsibility, and each of us has the power to make a difference by prioritizing safety on the road. Together, let's create a culture of safe driving and strive for accident-free roads. I'll memorize you. Your safety is your responsibility, and morally and legally you are bound to upkeep and maintain the safety of others. Overconfidence or negligence always hurts, but safety protects. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.